Welcome to our latest video. Today, we are talking about the top 5 best Amazon dash camera under $100. Through extensive research and based on quality, we've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. All the links of the dash camera are in the description below the video. Subscribe our channel and click on the bell to stay up to date with latest technology reviews. So let's get started. Introducing the CHORTAU BT13 dash cam, your ultimate driving companion. With superior full HD recording, you'll capture every moment on the road in stunning clarity. Experience a whole new perspective with a 170 degrees wide angle, ensuring nothing goes unnoticed, front and rear. Worried about visibility at night? No problem. The CHORTAU BT13 features advanced night vision technology, so you can drive safely even in low light conditions. Thanks to WDR capabilities, your recordings are perfectly balanced, capturing every detail regardless of lighting conditions. Equipped with a G sensor, the BT13 automatically detects collisions and locks the video files for your protection. Safety first. Never worry about your parked vehicle again. The parking monitor feature keeps a watchful eye, recording any unexpected incidents. With loop recording, you'll never run out of storage space, as old footage is automatically overwritten. Plus, the motion detection feature alerts you to any movement when you're away from your vehicle. This dash cam has 4.1 rating and 4,000 plus BSR rank on Amazon, so that we recommend this dash cam to you. Drive with peace of mind, knowing that your journeys are captured with the CHORTAU BT13 dash cam. Safe travels are just a click away. Get your CHORTAU BT13 today and redefine your driving experience. Introducing the GKU dash cam, your ultimate driving companion. Equipped with both front and rear cameras, the GKU captures every moment on the road in stunning 4K and 5K resolution. Enjoy the convenience of a 64 GB SD card included, providing ample storage for all your footage without the hassle of constant swapping. Control your dash cam effortlessly with Wi-Fi and our intuitive app. Easily view, download, and share your adventures in just a few taps. Driving at night? No problem. With advanced night vision, the GKU ensures crystal clear recordings even in low light conditions. Stay protected with our smart parking mode. The GKU monitors your vehicle while stationary, capturing any unexpected incidents when you're not around. Our built-in G sensor detects sudden movements or impacts, automatically saving crucial footage to protect you in case of an incident. This dash cam has 4.4 rating on Amazon, so that we recommend this dash cam to you. No more worrying about running out of storage. With seamless loop recording, the GKU continuously records, overwriting the oldest files when needed. Capture a broader perspective with our impressive 170 degrees wide-angle lens. In short, no detail goes unnoticed as you hit the road. Introducing the PRUVEEO dash cam, your ultimate driving companion. With cutting-edge technology and stunning features, it's designed to keep you safe on the road. Capture every moment with our dual FHD 1080p camera. It records both the road ahead and the interior of your vehicle, perfect for every adventure or those unexpected moments. Powered by a high-performance Novatech processor, experience crystal clear video quality and seamless performance. No more lagging or dropped frames, just smooth, reliable recording. Night or day, the PRUVEEO dash cam has you covered. With infrared night vision, you can rest assured knowing your drive is being recorded clearly, even in low light conditions. Stay connected with built-in Wi-Fi. Easily access your footage via your smartphone with our user-friendly app. Share those memorable moments or important evidence with just a tap. Never worry about your vehicle again, thanks to our 24-hour parking monitor. It continuously protects your car while you're away, providing peace of mind even when you're not there. With a compact yet clear 2-inch LCD display, you can easily review your footage right on the device. Simple, efficient, effective. This dash cam has 4.2 rating and 8,000 plus BSR rank on Amazon, so that we recommend this dash cam to you. The built-in G sensor automatically detects and locks crucial video footage in the event of a collision, ensuring you never lose important evidence. Get the PRUVEEO dash cam today and drive with confidence. With advanced features to keep you safe, it's the perfect partner for any journey. Visit our website to learn more and make every drive a secure adventure. Introducing the Pelsee P3, your ultimate driving companion. With stunning 4K front and 1080p rear recording, the P3 captures every detail on your journey. Dual cameras mean 360-degree coverage, so you're always protected, no matter where the road takes you. The included 64 GB SD card ensures you have plenty of storage for all your adventures. With built-in Wi-Fi and GPS, easily access your footage and location data right from your phone. Our advanced driver assistance system provides alerts to keep you safe on the road. Plus, blind spot detection helps you change lanes with confidence. Check out the crisp 3-inch IPS display for clear and convenient viewing. And with voice control, you can operate the P3 without taking your hands off the wheel. Just say the word. No matter the time of day, the P3's night vision technology ensures you'll never miss a moment of your drive. This dash cam has 4.8 rating and 9,000 plus BSR rank on Amazon, so that we recommend this dash cam to you. Plus, with 24-hour parking mode, you'll have peace of mind knowing your car is monitored even when you're not around. Whether it's a daily commute or a weekend getaway, the Pelsee P3 is here to keep you safe and secure on every journey. Introducing the Anyski M5, the ultimate solution for your on-the-road security. This 3-channel dash cam features cutting-edge 5GHz Wi-Fi technology, providing high-quality video capture in stunning 5K resolution for the front and 1080p for the rear and inside. With a 64 GB card included and the ability to support up to 256 GB maximum storage, you'll never miss a moment on the road. Enjoy peace of mind with our 24-hour parking mode. Your car is monitored even when you're not around, ensuring you're always protected. The Anyski M5 features a user-friendly interface, making it easy to access all functions and settings with just a few taps. Whether you're commuting to work or embarking on a road trip, the Anyski M5 provides crucial evidence in case of an accident. But don't just take our word for it. Here's what our satisfied customers have to say. This dash cam has 4.8 rating on Amazon, so that we recommend this dash cam to you. Don't wait any longer. Upgrade your driving experience and keep your car safe with the Anyski M5 dash cam.
Guys, that is all I had for today. If you have not seen these videos, I suggest you watch them. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give this video thumbs up.